Hi guys, good afternoon. So we are here at Valencia Ridge. Kung ang Cebu na ay 10,000 roses, napot sila 5,000 roses here. So after mga hundreds of liko-liko, naabot na jud. So this is the view, stunning view. Oh, look at the mountains. Excuse me. So medyo nadugay-dugay mi abot diri kay um we we went there up in the mountains to take a quick look sa planta where my husband will be working soon, and it's high up in the mountain, very high up in the mountain. Hingal. Hinihingal. Ox. Husband is there. And wait lang. This is where we're going. Up there. So nadarang roses. Alam, may love picture ta. Na, namay ng halay. Ikaw ba? So cute. Mga tumbang ubang mga roses. Kagi bagyo. By the way guys, this is not real roses. I mean, this is just an artificial roses na lights siya na siya lights if you turn on siya. So yeah, I think for me mas nindot siguro siya if tinood na roses, but yeah, if tinood na roses kay it would cost a lot of maintenance. Oh, their grass is artificial. They have benches here. Look at that. We were there and there ng mga nag-asu. Yeah, diha may ganiha. So the attendant said na nasa lang mga food here, pero gi-pull out nila because nagbagyo last week. Nothing more up here. I think diha ilang mga food, diha ilang bar, pero close sila today kay pa sila kabalik og pamutang sa ilang food since nag-pull out sila last week. Ora siya. So 5,000 roses, so di siya kayo daghan, but the view is stunning because it's a mountain view and bugno kayo guys. Grabe ka bugno. Let's see kung unsay naa diri sa pikas. Pwede din mag-camping? Kita ka din, I love.